How many of you here love doing art? Type it on me in the chat box. Ki you love doing art from your childhood. Type it on me in the chat box. Yeah. Thank you so much. I can see that Vaishnavi, Shivangi, great. And how many of you love teaching something, even it is art or doing teaching, even you have done a tuition of any subject? Tap it down I in the chat box if you love teaching. Yeah. I can see Nita Miniji, okay, Kruti, Pallavi ma'am, yeah, Manisha, great, awesome. I can see so many people loving that things. But do you know if you combine these two things, it's gonna be a miracle thing, and that's what I'm gonna share you today on. So, hi everyone, my name is Anna Hamlani. I'm a student at CI and also a realistic charcoal portrait artist, and also the diamond member. I'm from Pune, Maharashtra, and if I share going ahead, I want to really show you some gratitude from my inside because my journey always starts from CI, my turning point of this. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Today I'm there in the practice stage. It's not my first time, but it feels always the first time whenever I'm come here. Okay, even I'm doing for many times, but still that feeling butterflies going in my stomach still now. But yes, I'm gonna inspire and help you in that thing. So thank you so much for this. Before going ahead, I want to tell what you're gonna learn today. What is this? What I'm gonna share you. That is a 20-year girl who had just passed 12 standard. Not just now, but I have just studied till 12. Okay, not further education, and now earning a 2 lakh rupees from coaching through my art related niche. If you have seen these things, ki from your childhood, many of them listen ki art is not for career. Art is just waste of time. How many have listened this? Type it in me in the chat box. Ki I can see many of the artists will be listening these things. Ki art is waste of time and they're not being able to see the career. But today I'm going to show you how the possibilities are there in these things. Before my art journey, before even this CI, I want to show you my journey. Can I show you about my journey? Type it on yes in the chat box. And thank you so much for being a very great audience. I can see everyone is engaged and typing with full on energy. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for this. Okay. Before joining this community at the Corona time, when I was just 9th standard time, 9 to 10th standard, it was a Corona time and I was just sitting at home. And by the way, I'm coming from very village area, from Pune area. There we stay on mountain, no house nearby. So I don't have any kind of friend, no connection, nothing. And the Corona times literally shut down. I'm not able to connect to anyone, just my family members, that's it. But my time completely changes. That was 2024. When I get to know about this community of CI community, the girl who was literally scared to connect with people and talk to them, and now doing amazing things. Within just 7 days, I started connecting with people in my offline, online, and connecting people with all over the India. And that was really craziest thing for me, making friends, and that is all over India. The girl is not having zero friends to almost I can say I have 200 plus friends now. Yeah. So how many of you are feeling that so much crazy? Type it on C in the chat box. How many of you feel this feeling when you come to CI community, right? You're making friends from all over the India, yeah? So that was a great thing. And I said, ki, this is what I want to go. And that's where I got my voice inside my CI community. I started connecting with people online, offline, both, and also doing public speaking, build my communication journey so strong so that I have also impacted 1,500 people online, offline, and there are so many people from CI community itself. So this is my journey of communication skill. But one thing I understood, communication is not enough. If I want to go, this is what thing I want to build. That is building a skill that gives you result for the lifetime. Then I started building the skills, that is communication, designing, video editing, then website sales, and all these things. When I started building skills, I started getting combining communication skill plus another skills is I can say fast track booster when you combine these two things. Okay. And what really changed in my life is building skill. And that is also, it might be some confusion, but you need to understand that is build skills of building new skills is one more important thing because you need to always keep on building skills. That's what a lesson I want to give you. And the first secret that I want to share with each and everyone, that is success, love, speed. It means anything you want to do it, go with speed. Because when I started my journey in 2024, I continuously started building on skill, doing projects, doing public speaking, and that's where it leads to me. Yeah, sometimes break is okay, but when you do it speed, you will get more consistency and you build momentum. Okay. Then I started, after building my skill, I started taking free workshops for people, just testing and showing them, giving them things. And these free workshops really gave me proper confidence. I started producing results to my students, and then I started taking students uh, paid classes. Right after taking paid classes, I am able to see the students' results, and when I see their results, they're amazed. Ki, ma'am, in how 3 weeks you're giving the results. If you see this girl, she don't know about charcoal, but now she's doing amazing. And if you see this person, he's 72 years old. But he is the person is saying, I don't know how to hold pencil, but now creating this realistic portrait in just 3 weeks. And when I give them transformation, that has satisfaction which comes, right? It's a really, really a different feeling for you all. When people say ki your teaching made us do these things, it's really transformed. Not just that, people creating almost 19 to 20 artworks in 1 month, where they were not even creating one artwork, now they're creating 90, 20 artworks. How many of you think that is amazing? Or how many of you have created it? Type it on me if you're created. Or how many of you have not created? Type it on Anu in the chat box. Take a challenge, those who are artists, take a challenge. I cannot say ki daily one artwork. Randomly any day, you just go and you can do it there. Yeah. So like this, I started building the skills. So that's helped me. The thing is solving what here it changes skill of solving problems, because whenever you start a journey, it's not easy. Taking a free session might be that no one is coming, but the thing is, how are you ready to take a challenges and problem, and are you ready to solve it? Because for everyone it might not work. My first workshop was no one there, but still I was there. When people was not there, I was there to support them. That made me to come here. And the live sessions which I give, that's completely changed. The thing is, are you ready to take a challenges or problem? You need to ask that set to yourself. And that's when the secret number 2 comes. That is, fail fast, grow fast. Because this is my best formula to come here. Because people scared of failing. Failure is not at all negative thing. You need to understand this thing. Failure is not at all negative. Failure is a thing where you learn something and you move forward. Yeah, even the failure is a step towards your growth. But don't scare of failing. When you fail, grow fast. And that's where I started and entered to my diamond membership, and then doing more things and learn about the extraordinary career coaching in the proper format, where I can launch my courses, community, how to build, how to do the proper coaching, and I learn many more things and build my community. Now I have 50 plus people inside my community. Also in L2 membership, I have 6 to 7 people, and that's where I cross my revenue. Revenue is not the thing, but the students' results, when I see the transformation which I'm giving and building on the one mission to help artists, that's completely changed. And that's where the third secret comes. How I was able to build it, right? Anyone can build it, but it's your decision. Are you taking action or not? Many people has getting idea. Many people was there at my time. So many have getting idea ki I will do this thing. But after idea, are you gonna plan it? Are you taking action or not? If you're not gonna plan it, or not gonna take action within fast action, you'll not be able to achieve it. Even if you're doing with the manifestation, you don't know. But manifestation also work when you take action, right? That is the super secret third key of my thing. Don't think too much. And yes, one thing that you need to understand, what you focus on, that expands. It means if you want to grow more in that thing, track it. Tracking system is the boss, because people fail, system works. You need to keep on tracking. If you want to improve daily things, you need to keep on tracking. Even not just that, I always do this tracking sheets every month. I have this printout I have done. The red marks, if you see, that is I'm falling down. The green marks, how much you see, I'm exploring more. So those who want this tracking sheet, I do this every month. From January till now, I have every month's record. So if you, those who want, you can connect with me on Instagram and DM me sheet. I will help you with that. Okay. So don't forget to track, even on social media, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, anything you're doing, track it so that next month you can improve it. You get to know where you're lagging behind and where you need to improvement. And that's where we are at the last, that is learning from my journey. Your today's decision will decide your future. If you want to improve your future, make sure you take a proper decision. If you're going to track today, that will improve your next upcoming 2 months. And within 2 months, what you're lagging, it will be improved. But if you're not going to do, you will be lagging there. The next lesson is always keep on learning new things. Because if you say, ki, I'm going to learn today a new skill, that is a building website, for example, And if you say after 6 months also that skill is going to be valuable, no, no, my friends, because AI is growing more exponentially and you need to keep on learning new things. Because at that time, how today we can build the website with the help of AI, before 6 months it might not be there, but you can see after 6 months it's completely changed. And after the 6 months, the AI is going to take a huge expand. So one thing is that keep on learning new things, keep on exploring, keep on doing a trial and error. Even if you fail, it's a growth for you. Okay, so this is the lessons what you can take from my journey. And thank you so much for everyone for giving me the chance and to giving me the stage for telling you my story. And thank you so much, thank you so much from this thing.